Guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I'm going to be doing a Trunk Club unboxing for you. I have a code down below for Trunk Club. If you use it, you'll get a referral code. And I think they give you like $50 for your referrals. So use my code down below, and then once you receive your first trunk, you'll get that $50 credit. So it's a phenomenal deal. Love Trunk Club. It's by Nordstrom's. You let them know what you like, what you don't. You do a style profile. You pay $25, and they send you a trunk, which they send you about 11 things. So it's really awesome. And if you love these kind of unboxings, just keep watching. Okay guys, so the first item I got in my trunk is a pair of Adidas sneakers. They are these ones here. Let's take them out. They're really cool. Let's see what it says. It says Superstar on them. And these are, let's see here. Superstars. Superstar sneakers, 7.5, Adidas, and they're $80. Love these. Never owned a pair. Next, I got this burgundy Adidas hoodie, which complements the sneakers that I just got. And let's see, that is $70. Then next top that I got here, it's pretty. It is by this one here is by Callista 28, and the tag states that it is $59. Next top here is also by Callista 28, and it has these pretty ruffles. There you go. And this one here, let's see the price. There's no price on here. $69. Next item is this yellow dress, which is really cute. I actually really like this, but it's kind of thin, so I don't know if it's going to be see-through. It is by Leaf, and it's an extra small, and it is $49. Next are these shorts by J. Crew. They have the little scalloping on the end, and these are $59.50. Next is this Nike dress here. Really cute. It's like t-shirt material, and it is $65. Next is this Adidas t-shirt. Really cute. And it is $35. Next item is this dress here, cobalt blue, and it is by, let's see here, Felicity and Coco, and it's $88. Next are some cut from the cloth jeans, regular, no distressing, high-rise Donna, and these are $89. And the last item in the trunk are these Adidas pants, and they're like a comfy material, and these are $65. So I'll come back at the end and let you guys know what I decided to keep, and I appreciate everybody for watching. Thanks. Okay, so I wanted to come back and tell you I'm keeping the burgundy Adidas hoodie. Unfortunately, some of the stuff didn't fit and was a little bit see-through. I absolutely loved everything though in the trunk. Jessica is my stylist, and she is phenomenal. So I would request her if I were you. She listened to everything that I had to say, and like I said, use that referral code down below. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.